Here is how to download songs from Spotify. So go ahead, search for Spotify application and open it. Also log into your specific account and find a song, album, or playlist that you want to download. To download a single song, you need to tap on the three dot next to it and then add it to a playlist. Go ahead, select add to a playlist, create a new playlist if you want, select create. And now to download a playlist or album, go to your library and select the desired playlist or album. Look at the download button, an arrow in the left-hand side of the screen located above the track list. Tap on it to start the download. But remember that to download the playlist or music, you have to have premium on Spotify. And you can download music to listen without Wi-Fi and save your mobile data with premium. A green arrow indicates that the song or the album has been downloaded and is available for offline listening. And you can find your downloaded music in your library. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.